Hello everybody, let's have a look at the Dora wings wrestling Lysander Mk.III, the daytime version with the little winglets and bombs on them. I've already shown you the special operations version, but it's worth having a look at this again if you haven't seen that. There's a nice little packaging, nice little picture of the Lysander in action, nice little painting. Inside, nice lid opening box. You've got a goodie bag. This box you can use for when you're modelling. And it's a resealable bag. And as you can see, you've got the instructions and the nice brass or copper, what is it? Brass? Probably brass. I think it's brass. Anyway, photo etch. You've got the there's the cowling opening, radiator opening thingies, cooling jobby, and there's various other parts there. The belts, yep, and that's the I'm not sure if that's a, let's have a look, shall we? I'm being not sure. Let's waste a couple of seconds in battery time, which is running out already. On, I should have gotten a camera set up for that, I think, instead of buying more kits. Ah, there we are, look. You've got some a masking set. I don't know if you can see that at all. Bit of a masking set there for the glazing. Die cut masking set. Put a cardboard case, keep it stiff and protect this from getting bent. Nice bit of photo etch. And of course the decals, which are quite good quality, I think. Nothing wrong with those. What does it say? Printed in. I think I'll go focus now. See if I know where's it printed at. That's too close. Anyway, printed somewhere with. Can't see that. Maybe cardograph, I don't know, or tech mod or something. I don't know. I'll have a look at that again and put it in the description if I remember. If I don't, then not to worry about it. Instructions, nice little package there. Sprue map, details of what you should have in the kit, and as usual, well, often you get a nice little putting the engine together section. There's a detail there. Quite a small little diagram for putting the seat together, but there's a lot of photo etch in that too. And propeller look. And nice interior detail. Lots of interior there to be dealt with. There's the seat which is put together. It's all big, quite nice, complicated but satisfying interior. Glazing all put together there. Other moving parts for the wings, for flaps. You got ailerons. A two-part wing there. Yep, see that? Don't move too fast. The wheels are in various sections. You got the hub in two sections and the tyres, I think, in two sections, two halves, and you got a little lamp in the front of there. You got the main light there as well. Okay, and the inside area for if you want to take the well, that's the cover. You got all these bomb racks here as well, different options you got for bomb racks. You can have it on there, you put it together and put it on the options, different type of bomb racks for the sorry, keep it on the camera in frame. And yeah, just all goes together nicely for a nice Lysander. Or Lysander as I used to call it when I was a kid, but Lysander is after the King of the Fairies, I think, in Shakespearean language. There's various different versions. We've got Arbroath, Polish Reconnaissance Squadron, got the Naval Air Squadron, got the AC Rescues Duties, of 276, and here's the AC Rescues of 277. They're all good. Nice little corporation aircraft. In the bag itself, you got a single piece bag with a couple of different sprues in. You got recessed panel lines. A bit of, if you can see that, you got little inspection hatches marked out on both sides. That's where the struts go on. That's the various parts. They're all nicely, that comes off at this, that bit of plastic there. Little bit of flash there, but no more than you can take off. And the propeller is quite well formed. Got a nice little instrument panel there. I think I've got it in focus. See? It's an instrument panel. All the interior detail here. No flash around those. That's quite nicely built. I got the interior detail here as well. Little stringers and what have you. That's the engine. And various bits and bobs. And there's your bombs. Which looks a different plastic to the other ones, but it's not. It's the same colour plastic, I think. There's your winglets and your bomblets. And all the glazing you got here. But you've also got a engine part here, which is to do with the it's in what do you call it, resin engine part there, so that'll be probably quite delicate, but it's got all the little pipes connecting there. I think those who know how it works, they put it in with the glazing, which is quite clear. And you got the, like I say, you got the mask set for that as well. So that's good. Put that together again afterwards. So there we are. That's a quick look. Well, 7 minutes 30 seconds. Look at the Dora wings, Lysander 2, Lysander Mk.III in 172 scale. Alright, thank you for watching this far, and cheerio.